Hey everybody, it's me, Zonya. Do you struggle with ice cream? Meaning, like if you're trying to lower your blood pressure or lose some weight, control diabetes, your cholesterol, any of those things, I think you and I both know that ice cream isn't always your friend, right? And what if I had a solution for you? A simple recipe that you could make at home with ingredients you have all the time, that you could make a creamy, dreamy ice cream replacement. That's everything that ice cream is, but less than half the calories and 100% all good for you. That helps lower your blood pressure, lower your cholesterol, helps you slim down while you eat it. It's called nice cream, and I'm going to show you how. So the secret ingredient to this is frozen bananas. And so when you have bananas that are getting kind of ripe like this, or they don't have to be, but freeze them just a couple hours or the night before. I peel these and I stick them in a bag and I stick a butter knife in there and I just slice them without cutting the bag. That way I don't dirty a cutting board or anything. It's so easy. So that's the sneaky trick. And it may have a banana flavor, it may not. Once we do what we're going to do to it, you won't believe it, it'll often loses its banana flavor and takes on whatever you add to it. Now, the basic recipe uses 3 frozen bananas, but today I'm just using 2 frozen bananas, and I'm going to put in about a cup of dark sweet cherries. So this is going to be a chocolate cherry banana ice cream. And so very simple, real food ingredients. There's going to be natural sugar from the bananas, but guess what? Newsflash. The fiber, the low amount of sugar that's in this is not the bad for you sugar, this is the good for you sugar, all right? That's in there. The next thing are these sweet cherries that have no sugar added, which is awesome. And I'm gonna add about a cup to that. Now, I want chocolate. Do you want chocolate? I want chocolate. So we're doing 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Cocoa powder is health food, okay? This is antioxidant rich. There's no fat, no sugar, it's chocolate, all right? The next thing is we're going to use about a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. The next is about a 1/4 cup of almond milk, or you could use any kind of milk you wanted. That's the ingredients, ladies and gentlemen. And use what you've got, a food processor, a blender, whatever you have, use it. I've been blending this about 2 minutes. I stopped halfway and punched it down. But here we go. It is, look at that. Look at that. Creamy, dreamy, delicious. I'm going to use this spoon to get it out. And make myself a nice little bowl of my chocolate cherry ice cream. This serves 3 people very generously. And you can top this, eat it straight up, or you can top it with a little bit of fun, like a little bit of unsweetened dried coconut, a few little pecans if you'd like. This makes like a chocolate turtle kind of a thing. Or, and you know, the other thing that I love is cocoa nibs. I'm crazy about these. 0 sugar, and they are straight cocoa nibs. They give an extra pop of chocolate and crunch. And they themselves are not that sweet, but they're enjoyable and they add a really great texture to this. So, oh man, homemade ice cream. Is it going to taste banana-y, chocolatey, cherry-y? Wow. Wow. I can't believe I made that in 2 minutes. It's wholesome. Everything about it is nutritious and good for you. This is not going to make you gain weight. This is going to make your blood pressure go down, your cholesterol go down, your waist go down. You name it. It's so easy to make. I really am telling you, this is your homework assignment this week. When you make it, take the challenge, do it. Change your life. Change what you do. Try something. Get out of your comfort zone and try something new. It will surprise you. And you're going to save a ton of money too, let me tell you. So give this nice cream a try and stay tuned right here on our YouTube channel because I got more tips coming at you. Stay tuned. I'll see you soon. Enjoy.